Good afternoon, everyone. So today we are going to discuss about electromagnetic induction. So electromagnetic induction के चैप्टर में होता क्या है? तो इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन करंट के वजह से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस हुआ। अब तक जो देखे उसके साथ में इंडक्शन भी प्रोड्यूस होता है वो क्या है डिस्कस करना है। So in previous chapter moving charges and magnetism and matter में देख चुके हैं। So suppose in a conductor there is flow of electrons. तो यहाँ पे this phenomena is interrelated with respect to electric current and magnetism. Okay. In previous chapter, what we have seen, the motion of electrons in a conductor, all brief velocity related with electricity and magnetic properties भी देख चुके हैं magnetism के अंदर. Okay. So इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन देता क्या है आपको? सो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट के वजह से मैग्नेटिज्म को कुछ रिलेशन है, कुछ इंटर रिलेटेड फिनोमेना प्रोड्यूस करता है। उसको क्या होता है? इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन। उसका डेफिनेशन भी है। सो विल टेल यू। सो इलेक्ट्रिक एंड मैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन के कुछ रिलेशन है, उसके लिए हम क्या बोलते हैं? इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन। दैट इज कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन। It is a phenomena. So it is a phenomena in which electric current is generated. तो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट क्या होगा? जनरेटेड हुआ ड्यू टू द चेंज इन मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स. So it is a phenomena. It is a phenomena in which current is developed. Current is produced due to change in magnetic flux. Due to change in magnetic flux in a coil. So this is what definition of electromagnetic induction. Okay. So ये definition हो गया. So आपके पास previous में बोला था कुछ कंडक्टर है आपके पास. Suppose so in conductor if I apply current there is a production of magnetic field surrounding this conductor. So जैसे कि आपने यहाँ पे देखे, if I place this conductor and pass through current I, surrounding में क्या होगा? आपका magnetic field भी generate होगा. So due to electric current there is a magnetic field. Okay. So in coil, in conductor, in circular coil, almost all there is a due to the current there is a causes of current is magnetic field due to surrounding space. तो ये करंट के वजह से कंडक्टर की में जो करंट पास हो गया होने के वजह से वहां पे सराउंडिंग में क्या है? मैग्नेटिक फील्ड भी प्रोड्यूस हो गया. सो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बी. ओके ना? सो व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन इफ यू हैव दिस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, आपके पास कुछ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है. सो ड्यू टू मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कैन वी प्रोड्यूस करंट I. Due to magnetic field can we produce I? Okay. So magnetic field produce कब होता है? Due to there is a current in a conductor or any coil. So there will be produces magnetic field. So can nature आपको nature allow करेगा कि magnetic field के वजह से आपको current मिलेगा. Okay. Current कैसा मिलेगा? So there is a by name what England Faraday and Henry, in different scientists, they are discovered or give the experimental part to demonstrate this electromagnetic induction. Okay, so if I put a magnetic field in place of coil, there will be production of current. So we will see this magnetic field के वजह से electric current कैसा प्रोड्यूस होता है, वो आपको क्या करना है? By doing experimental part, how to study here. So आपके पास सपोज these are Faraday's experimental part. तो Faraday's एक्सपेरिमेंट में क्या होता है आपको कि जब एक कॉइल के पास this is one coil, so which is connected to galvanometer G. Okay, so this is coil. तो coil as wounded in a circular form, तो सर्कल के फॉर्म में आएगा. So in place there is a bar magnet. Okay, so this is N and S. This is N and S. So देखना है कि suppose when he consider one experiment which is going to perform this on coil. So ये वाला आपका क्या है ना, coil C. So when magnet is coming near to this place, there is a deflection in calorimeter. So what he observed as observations. So observations क्या है आपके लिए? Okay, so observation में देखना है. So first thing is when this magnet, so this magnet is coming towards this coil, so there will be magnetic field lines will be there. So this magnetic field lines will going to affect this coil. So when magnet is coming towards this coil, there is a change in what magnetic flux. So initially देखो यहाँ पे जितना मैग्नेट आपको यहाँ पे n पोल and s पोल. So when it is far away, there is a electric as magnetic field कैसा प्रोड्यूस करेगा, like this. So one field line will be like this. So this magnetic field will be very much less when it is away from. So इसको अगर से हमने इसको लेके आने के बाद क्या होगा यहाँ पे, when the magnetic poles coming towards this coil, so there is a what intersection, and like interpose of magnetic field from this coil. So therefore magnetic field lines are going to insert this coil C. So thereby magnetic fields or magnetic flux is going to change. So due to magnetic flux change, there is a change in deflection in calorimeter G. So इसको लिखना है when, first observation is when magnet is constant. So magnet is constant होने की वजह से current क्या आएगा आपको, 0. Current is 0. So due to the change in magnetic flux through this coil, there is change in current. So change in current कौन सा किसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है? There is dependent on magnetic flux. So second, when magnet is moved towards the coil, so towards coil जब magnet यहाँ पे आएगा तो क्या करेगा वहाँ पे? There is a maximum deflection. So current will be maximum. There is I. So zero current when it is a constant rate. Okay. So third, okay, when magnet is stopped, तो stop करने की वजह से क्या हो गया वहाँ पे? I is 0 है. Okay, there is no current. So when fourth observation, so when magnet is moving away from the coil, okay, away from the coil, therefore I will be minus. Okay, so current will be reverse direction. So current is I will be reverse direction, minus I. So this is our galvanometer current. This is galvanometer current I. So I will be maximum, which is of reverse direction पे आएगा. So Faraday ने बताया कि what are the experiment to do for the change in flux due to the magnetic field. So initially यहाँ पे दो field lines थे. So when it is approaching towards this coil, see north pole which is approaching towards coil, there is a increase in the magnetic flux. So जब आने लगता है तब क्या होगा? Magnetic field lines will increases. Due to increase in magnetic flux, there is a increase in the calorimeter current in the coil, which is reflected with the calorimeter. So therefore, there is a maximum current in the calorimeter due to this. So what produces is due to change in magnetic flux, there is a current will be produced. This is about experiment number 1. So experiment number 1 और एक experiment किया गया. So second one experiment, this is what? This is coil magnet experiment. This is coil magnet experiment. So second experiment is second coil experiment. So coil experiment. So यहाँ पे देखा है, first is suppose If you draw a coil in the circular direction, it is make it here. Next, it is always connected to galvanometer G. Okay, so connected to galvanometer coil C1. Next, यहाँ पे और एक galvanometer. So connected C2, connected with the battery like this. Okay, so this is plus, this is minus. Okay. Same observations will be made from this experiment. C1, C2. आपके पास दो coil है, C1 and C2. When current in C2 is increased in steps, so by keeping C1 constant, C2 को क्या करना है? तो C2 when it comes towards the C1, there is a current in this coil. So due to cause of current, there is a magnetic field lines will be produced. So due to there is a change in magnetic flux towards this C1 coil, so there is deflection in galvanometer G. Okay. So when you move, so same observation. So he made same observation. Okay. So C1 and C2. So C2 coil जब move करने की वजह से there is a change in magnetic flux. So due to change in magnetic flux, there is a change in current direction in the coil C1. So when it is moved away from this C1, there is a change in the direction of current in the reverse direction. So same effect, same observations are observed by doing this experiment, second experiment, that is coil experiment number 1. So due to changing current, there is a magnetic flux will be changes in C2. Therefore there is a EMF is generated. So इसका मतलब है कि what he concluded that conclusion from this experiment, conclusion of this experiment. So due to induced EMF, there is a induced current is produced due to change in magnetic flux. So ये coil की वजह से अगले coil के अंदर there is a EMF produce हुआ. So there is a EMF produce होने से वजह से there is a change in change in induced current. So that is called electromagnetic induction. So we can produce by the effect of current intervening medium. वहाँ पे induce हुआ, किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है वो? करंट के ऊपर. That current is induces your magnetic field. So electromotive force induces by means of magnetic flux. There is induced in the electric current in the coil due to change in magnetic flux. Okay, so this is coil experiment number 2. Okay, that is Faraday's experiment number 2. So there is having another experiment which is of third experiment, coil experiment. Third experiment में क्या दिया है? When it is connected to some key. Okay, key. So key आएगा आपको key, tapping key. इसको बोलते हैं tapping key. When you press this key, current will flows in the C2 direction, C2 coil. When it is open, there is no current. So if you press tapping key, which produces current, this gains current in the C2. So C2 के वजह से coil के अंदर जब current रहेगा, that coil produces magnetic field. So as it moves towards C1, there is a change in magnetic flux lines. So what magnetic flux lines? When it is away from C1, there is no change in deflection current, galvanometer current. When it is moved towards coil C1, there is a change in magnetic field. So due to change in magnetic field, there is a EMF is induced. So deflection होने का मतलब क्या है वहाँ पे? There is induced current will be produced in the C1. So as in C1, here also, due to third experiment also, so there is a induced current in G, that is galvanometer. Induced current, okay, induced current will be produced. So induced current को किस तरीके से प्रोड्यूस हुआ वहाँ पे? There is induced current produced by means of EMF. That electromotive force will be generated in coil C. So if I consider very magnetic field, there is peak in initial when it is move towards coil, there is magnetic field lines will be increasing more. So due to change in magnetic field lines, due to there is change in magnetic flux. So magnetic flux ज़्यादा होने के कारण वहाँ पे क्या होगा? Induced induced current will be produced. That induced current is called as electromagnetic induction. So conclusion यहाँ पे क्या निकलेगा यहाँ पे? So due to change in magnetic flux, if there is magnetic flux is more or increases in a coil due to magnets. So here also this coil also behaves like a magnet. Okay, dipole moment की तरह क्या होगा यहाँ पे? There is a magnetism property. Okay, so therefore there is induced current in the coil. Induced current in the coil. So induced current होने का मतलब क्या है? वहाँ पे electromotive force will be generated in the coil due to the conduction of electrons. Due to the conduction of electrons, so by gaining magnetic field, so there is a change in magnetic flux produces induced EMF. There is by means of induced EMF there is an induced current. So that induced current will be seen by means of this change in magnetic flux. That is the experimental part of Faraday experiment and Henry experiment. Both examples are given by doing some various examples doing experimental part. Okay, so इसके ऊपर हम law बनाएंगे. That law will be experimental basis. Okay, so what changes due to what causes? Okay, so there is a fundamental laws of Faraday experiment that is called Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. So ये वाले के बाद आपको law बताएंगे. So understand this one. If you have any doubts, ask me.